Okay, Carson, I knew this was down the street from where I was working at this week, and I wanted to come make you a video of it. It's pretty awesome. It's hopefully you know what it is. You're going to have to get G-Daddy to bring you down here, and you're going to have to look at this thing. It's a real life Blackbird. See how big the engines are, how big the airplane is. Man, that thing is long. I'll walk you around the other side. You can see how cool it's shaped. I'll read the little thing real quick. You're going to have to get G-Daddy to look up and find some more information. If you see right there in the lower right hand corner, it will go 2,000 miles per hour at 85,000 feet. Look at how mean looking that thing looks. This is a drone that they have that they use to test the Blackbird. It looks a lot like it. But you can see the whole thing, it really doesn't have much of a wing. The whole thing is basically a big flying surface. See how big the engine is? Man, that thing is huge. Look at that. There's the end of the wing, and there's the elevator. Man, look at how big that is. Okay. Pretty cool. You're going to have to get G-Daddy to bring you down here so you can look at this. Man, it's awesome. All right. Take care.